The ship is set to sail because Airship AI has grown its internal sales and sales engineering force, adding seasoned sales professionals with deep industry expertise. It's also participated in multiple customer-facing trade shows and partner events, including a government-focused customer event that took place just outside Austin, Texas. The new pro-U.S. Border Security Administration provides additional macro tailwinds for 2025 and beyond. Airship AI's solutions are well positioned to support the challenges along the southern border, and the company expects to benefit from increased funding through supplemental appropriations. For 2025, Airship AI expects 30% revenue growth and positive cash flow, supported by a strong and validated pipeline. The company plans to make tactical and strategic investments across its sales and business development organizations, release new Outpost AI product offerings, and expand custom-trained AI models. Airship AI will also focus on brand awareness and engagement in new verticals through targeted marketing outreach opportunities and industry trade shows. According to Paul Allen, president of Airship AI, the company is confident in its ability to execute against its stated objectives of 30% year-over-year revenue growth and achieving cash flow positive operations. The company is well positioned to capitalize on emerging opportunities in the public safety and security space, and its digital transformation strategy is focused on how AI at the far and near edge can solve for customers' existing and emerging threats. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.